Association of Polish Organic Fruit Growers POLSKI EKOOWOC. We all use probiotechnology. It is our way of regenerative agriculture. We are creating organic fruit and an increasingly healthy environment. We simply produce normal fruit, which is what should always be on your table. Wholesome, rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioactive substances. Fruit from natural orchards with living, fertile soil, full of humus, beneficial microorganisms, and earthworms. Orchards full of herbs, flowers, bees, and ladybirds. Our fruits smell, our fruit tastes good, our fruit brings joy and health. The Association of Polish Organic Fruit Growers EKOOWOC was founded in 2018. It was founded by 20 orchard owners with orchards ranging from 15 to 120 hectares. In total, there is the potential for around 600 hectares of organic orchards and plantations and a production volume of around 30,000 tons of organic fruit per year. In 2020, we joined the CoFresh project. The CoFresh project proved to be a very important development for our association. We found here a great deal of kindness, high competence, and financial support. The project has given us a lot of added value in terms of analysis, more creative thinking, development opportunities, and concrete innovations. We decided to pursue two innovations. In the process category, system for minimizing waste by composting waste using probiotechnology and turning inferior apples into organic, healthy apple cider vinegar. In the management and organization category, online shop and web promotion. Innovations are presented according to the following order of presentation: problem, innovation, value, next steps. So we start with innovation number 1, which is the use of waste by A. Composting and B. Producing apple cider vinegar. Most orchardists do not compost waste, such as fallen leaves and fruit, clipped twigs, and cut and shredded grass and herbs. All this organic matter is left under the trees. This results in two unfavorable phenomena. First, mineralization involving the rotting process, incomplete decomposition, and the creation of environment favorable to pathogens. Second, losses due to the unused fertilizing potential of this organic matter. The innovation is composting technology by using waste apples and enriching the compost with additional organic matter, probiotic microorganisms, and natural fertilizer according to the recommendations of probiotechnology. We built a two-chambered concrete box at the Ekomarchaty organic farm of Arek Kartus. We filled both chambers with organic matter: 4.5 cubic meters of straw from orchard, 3 cubic meters of mushroom foundation, and 3 cubic meters of waste apples. We added to the chamber using probiotechnology: microbiological preparation M-Pharma Plus 20 liters, the microbiological activator Bokashi 20 kilograms, and natural fertilizer Alginate 20 kilograms. M-Pharma Plus is a unique product containing a composition of live beneficial microorganisms, organic acids, vitamins, a complex of minerals and metabolites. It intensifies microbial processes in the soil, accelerates humification and decomposition of crop residues, increases humus and water content in the soil. Alginate is a naturally occurring mineral formed around 4 to 5 million years ago from fossilized algal biomass. Alginate's advantages are excellent water storage capacity, 64 soil enriching elements, high dosage of easily accessible calcium, minimum of 22%, and high dosage of structure-forming humus, minimum of 20%. Bokashi is fermented wheat and rice bran inoculated with probiotic microorganisms. It constitutes a starter for composting farm biowaste and is an activator of fermentation processes, regeneration, and revitalization of the environment. After 6 months, we checked the compost from both chambers. The differences are immediately apparent. Compost without probiotechnology is inferior, rougher, contains undecomposed organic residues, and is more lumpy. Compost with probiotechnology is fully humidified, loose, with no trace of undecomposed plant residues. It also has more pleasant, natural smell of fertile soil. We took samples from both chambers and had them analyzed at the Institute of Microbiological Technology in Turku. And here the results fully confirmed our predictions. In probiotic compost, the abundance of important elements such as nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, boron, manganese, zinc, and sodium is 2 to 6 times higher. There is significantly less toxic heavy metals such as cadmium, arsenic, and lead. The pH is also more favorable, more alkaline. There is also less fungus, 2 times more nitrogenous bacteria, and 3 times more actinobacteria. All this means higher nutritional value of this compost and financial value as a fertilizer. The innovation adds value along the entire value chain, as it brings environmental and economic benefits to producers and contributes to the quality and taste of the fruit. Producers using probiotechnology can achieve better economic results in the management of waste fruit, obtain a natural, highly valuable fertilizer, which is a part of good practice of regenerative agriculture. The innovation will be presented to EcoOWOC fruit growers with a suggestion to integrate this technology permanently in their production practice, and will be published and promoted on www.ekoowoc.pl and other social media in order to make it generally available to all fruit growers and raise awareness of environmental issues among consumers. Apple cider vinegar. Processing inferior quality apples into organic, healthy apple cider vinegar. As with composting, none of the EcoOWOC fruit growers have so far used inferior fruit for vinegar production. The pilot project was carried out by 2 members of the association, an apple producer and the owner of the organic processing company Strzelsock. Juice from 500 kilograms of inferior apples was fermented for 6 months. 280 liters of apple vinegar was obtained. The vinegar is bottled in half-liter bottles, and the cost of the fermentation service, bottles and labels was about €2. A bottle will be sold at €3, and this is the average market price of such product. Value. The production of organic apple cider vinegar has several aspects. First, the economic one is the management of inferior apples. Second, the social one is the promotion to the general public of natural remedy that has many health benefits. It contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and probiotic microorganisms. It has antibacterial properties, influences the correct pH of the stomach, lowers blood sugar levels, improves heart function, improves the digestive process, and has a positive effect on the condition of the skin. Third, it is a good vehicle for environmental education for promoting the EcoOWOC Association itself. Next steps. 1. To present the innovation to EcoOWOC fruit growers and encourage them to implement it on their farms. 2. Publishing the technology and composting results on www.ekoowoc.pl and promoting it to both organic and chemical farmers. Innovation 2. Online shop and web promotion under the terms of the EKOOWOC license. Problem: very little retail sales and poor promotion of organic apples at EKOOWOC. Orchard owners sell fruit wholesale to intermediaries or to processors. Only 2 members of the association sell small quantities directly to customers at the eco-bazaars. The innovation is to launch online sales directly to customers. This will be done through the establishment of association members' stores and the delivery of fruit to other health food stores. In the pilot project, an online store www.ekomarchaty.pl was established. We prepared specially reinforced 5-layer cardboard boxes for 3 and 6 kilograms of fruit. A license agreement was created for the use of the association's image and recommendations for products produced by EKOOWOC members, such as fruits, juices, apple cider vinegar, dried fruit chips, and so on. An additional value is the use by these stores of the resources of EKOOWOC short educational and promotional films about the types and advantages of different varieties of fruit, nutritional values, organic farming, and its impact on the environment.
W owocach tej odmiany badanych w SGGW zawartość witaminy C w stosunku do owoców tej odmiany w owocach konwencjonalnych była większa o około 100%.
Prowadzę gospodarstwo sadownicze ekologiczne od ponad 3 lat. Również jestem członkiem Stowarzyszenia Polski EKOOWOC wartości powyżywcze, choćby pokazując witaminę C. Ostatnie badania przeprowadzone w Szkole Głównej Gospodarstwa Wiejskiego w Warszawie, porównując jabłko z produkcji konwencjonalnej.
Dlaczego pozostałości pestycydów w jabłkach są dla nas takie szkodliwe? Otóż one są bardzo szkodliwe. Tutaj wiele badań polskich, europejskich, światowych potwierdza to samo. Pozostałości pestycydów działają bardzo źle na nasz organizm generalnie.
Jabłka mogą być słodkie lub kwaśne. Co decyduje o ich smaku? Przede wszystkim o wartości smakowej jabłek decyduje zawartość cukrów organicznych oraz oczywiście wzajemny stosunek cukrów do kwasu, ale także ważną rolę pełnią. Także konsystencja miąższu jest niezwykle ważna.
Value. First, direct sales to the end customer. Second, generation of additional income for fruit growers and royalties for the EKOOWOC Association for the use of image and footage. Third, promotion of the association and EKOOWOC fruit and organic fruit in general. Fourth, environmental education of the public and greater demand for such fruits and organic products. Next steps. After analyzing the pilot case, first, presentation of this model to EKOOWOC members for replication. Second, production of further videos. And third, search for online shops for such collaboration. Thank you for your attention.
Jest to jabłko naturalne. Ośmielam się powiedzieć jabłko.
Organic apple, dare I say it, is the model of the apple with which we know Eve seduced Adam in paradise.